Hi guys, I welcome you once again to this video on online banking. My name is Mr. Clement, the founder of Clem Designs Technology. We are a web developing company based in Asaba, Delta State. So we design any type of website for online businesses. So today I will show you how to run an online banking website. And the online banking website is meant for educational purposes, like those students who have projects they want to execute in school based on online online banking and finance. We also have this script for those who want to use it for their online transactions. So when you check here, these our contacts. This is our website, claimdesigntext.net. We have our WhatsApp number, and you can still call us on this number or WhatsApp us. You can as well email us for any other services that you'll be needing from us. We can build any type of website, both e-commerce website, both church website, school websites, so any business at all. So that's it. So today let me show you how this banking website functions. So I'll open it on my browser. So this is the dashboard of that website. There's the login page for customers. So like customers who open an account with the bank, they can be able to log in from here. And also the banking website have a live chat, so customers can chat with you. You understand? You see now the system is already messaging you that you were online, say welcome to our website, you need help. So you can decide to chat with the admin. You understand? So immediately the admin will be notified. The admin can as well respond to you. You see now, and they already notify you on the admin panel. You understand? So you see now, you can join the chat. You can say hi. Say hi. How can I help? For example, so you can send the message. When you go back to the site now, you see that that message has already reflected. Say how can I help? You understand? So so it has a full function. Then let's say for example now we want to create an account for a customer, or a customer want to create an account, or maybe want to open an account with the bank. So all he or she needs to do is to click on this button that says create new account. Then he or she can fill out this form. See, say create an account. So the first name of the customer, let's say for example Joan Thompson, for example. Then I can enter the phone number of that customer. Customer can fill in his or her phone number. Let's say that is the phone number. Then the email address of the customer. Let's say we are using this for the email address of the customer. Then I can select the country of that customer. Let's say the customer is from, for example, United States. Then the enter the states. Let's say for example California. Then the city, you can see that let's say for example we'll see using that California, for example. Let's say for example California. Then the login ID, so the customer can create a login ID. I can do something like this: Joan 4 or 33. and as well the login password. I can still use that Juan33. Then the transaction password as well, I can still use it, Juan33. Then the branch, let's say for example is let's say, okay, for example we have Australia Bank branch, we have a UK branch. Let's say, okay, for example we are using a UK branch. You understand? So you can create as many branches as you want on the admin panel. I'll also show you how to do that. Then the account type, let's say it's going to be current account, for example. So I use that current account. I can click on this that says open an account. You see now the account has been opened successfully. So you see now it is very easy for the customer to create the account. So we have to log in into the admin panel to inspect this account that this user just created. So for us to do that, we can just visit the admin panel of the site. See, now see say administrator, then I can just click on, just enter the login details to the admin. So I will log in into the admin area. You see, so when you come into the admin area, it also has the full function. For example, you can still see that live chat is still there. You understand? So the live chat is everywhere on the banking script, so that customers can ask questions at any time they want. So like it also has a language translator, like those who doesn't understand English, they can easily select the language they are fair with. You understand? So let's say you want to translate the site into Swedish. So when I click on it now, you see that the whole site will translate into Swedish. You understand? So see, it's already translated. Let's say if you want to also translate it into Arabic language, you can select Arabic. You see that the whole site will translate into Arabic language. So you see it has a full function. So if I want to turn it into my original language, which is English, I can click on this original, say show original, see it's back to English. I can close off this one. So it has a language translator. Then here you can see the dashboards, the analytics. So like here now it tell you how many customers already existing on the bank. You understand? Customers that have already created an account with the bank. It will show you how the total saved, you know, how much the customers there so far have saved. You understand? Then it can also show you the withdrawal analysis, how much have they withdrawn. Then also it can show you the total loan, because they can as well use the system to apply loan. Like customer want to apply loan, they can fill out a loan form and all that. Then the transaction will be processed by the admin. So that's it. Then the next thing now I'm going to show you is first of all show you how to also add the customers on the admin area. Like for example, admin want to create an account for customers. It has the function here as well, like say create that's a new customer. You understand? So also that same form that will fill in at that customer's dashboard area is the same thing here. You understand? So if you want to create a new account for a customer, like you want to open an account for a customer, you can still do that. So automatically it can generate the account number for the client and as well the login ID. You understand? So let's first of all check that customer which you created, whether he exists on the bank. So let's check if the customer's data appear on the database of the bank. So let's see. For us to do that, we can just go down to where we have manage customers. On these managed customers, we will look for that Mary. Is it not Mary? Okay, Joan Thompson. That is what we use. Okay, you see now it enters. There is Joan 33. That is the username. So John Thompson, that's the name. You understand, from California. Yeah, that's the state that we use. Then also we say the country, which is United States. So that's it. Then we can still click on more to view the information of that customer. So you see now, it gives you the details of that customer. It's a customer's details. Then the branch, that is the customer's name, which is Joan Thompson. The branch, look at the branch there. That's the branch code. It's already giving you the branch code. Then it also gives you the login ID of the person, the account status, which is active, because by default it goes directly to active. You understand? If you don't want that, admin can also deactivate the account, and also you can be able to delete the account. So the admin has the full function. It can close the account. Oh, sorry for this. So it can close the account. Then the city. So everything is already there. You understand? It also give you the COT and the IMF code. This IMF code, like those who want to run international transfer. You understand? So by default, automatically when the customer creates the account, it will automatically give you this code, this IMF code and the COT code. So if the customer needs to transfer in do an international transfer, the bank will have to provide him or her with this COT like IMF code, so that he or she can be able to run that transfer. So that's it. Then the next thing again now is showing you how to add branches. Let's, for example, you want to add more branches to the site. You can go down to this place that say branch settings. Then you can create a new branch. You say create a branch. Let's say the branch name now. Let's say we are going to create a Washington. Let's say Washington, or yeah, let's say something like, okay, or let's say we want to create a New York branch in the United States. So let's say USA. I can say USA branch. So that's it. So I've created that USA added that name. Then the states, let's say for example California. So yeah, the state is going to be California. So let's say for example now I say the city. Let's say we are still using like New York City, for example. Then the branch country, you can select United States of America. Then the branch code, so that code that we see there before, so we can add another code. I can say something like since it's California, I can use CA 254. So that is the code. Then the branch address, I can just use some address here. I can say something like 2234 New York City or New York Street. So that's it. But after that, now you can create the branch. So automatically the system have created the branch for you. So even if it's still loading, don't bother, it's already created. So you can, if you want to confirm it, you can go down to this branch setting as well. You understand? So you can see that branch. So when I go down to, okay, or first of all go down to dashboard for me to get that. So as I click on dashboard, I can go down to that branch settings. See, manage branch. So you can see that branch now, which is USA branch. You understand? So that's how to create branch. Then for example, if you want to create account type, you can create an account type. You say account type settings. As you click on that account type settings, you can create a new account type. So like the ones I have here is that checking account, current account, saving account. So you want to add new, you can click on this one that say add a new, create a new account. So when you click on it now, it will open for you to create a new account. So you can add the account name, the main balance, and you understand. So you add all your desired information. So the next thing for you to do, like the admin can as well credit their customers. Let's say for example that customer that I created now, that I want to credit him or her, I can click on this place that says credit account. Then which customer do you want to credit? Let's say we want to credit that Juan33. Then you see that her balance is 0. So if I want to credit her, I can add some credit there. Let's say for example I want to credit her with $1 million. So I'll add in the amount there. So $1 million, I can click on create credit. I mean to say, so you see now it's already credited successfully. You see, so by the time now she will log it into her account, she will be able to see that login, that account, that balance in her account. I mean to say, so that's it. Then so you can see it has full function. You know, they can apply loan. It's a loan application. You understand? Those who apply loan or apply for loan, you can see their request here. You understand? So if you want to disperse the fund, you can do that. You understand? Like this one now is still pending. This person wrote to us, so the loan for a car. You understand? So you can decide to approve that loan or not. You understand? So the admin has a full function, and also those who do bank transfer, you can decide to approve them, because if the admin didn't approve them, there is no way that transfer can be able to take effect. You understand? Or there is a way you can also set it as they do the transfer, it will go immediately and direct. You understand? So that's it. Then the next thing again is showing you how to send messages on the system. So admin can as well message all the customers. You understand? It can be able to message all the customers on the platform. So you see now it's a composed message. You understand? You can select the particular customer you want to send the message to. You understand? So you can add in the message title and everything. So that's it. So you see now the banking website has a full function. There's still many functions there that you can try out, but because of this video, let it not be the video not go too lengthy, so that's why. But it has a full function. There are many things that you can try out here. So it has every banking function. So that's it. So let's say for example now we want to log out from the admin. Let's log into that Juan's account to see whether that account works. So we can just click on this button that says login as a user instead, to go into the user's login area. So you see, we can just come here and say Juan. I think it's Juan33. So use it for the password. Juan33. So login. Okay, I think I made a mistake. Juan33. Okay, let me just copy it, because that is same with the password. You see now it logs in that Juan. So you see the account details and everything is there. You see this is the account number of the, because by default it will create an account number for you. Then you see that balance now, $1 million. You see is already on that account. The date is being created 1st of March. You understand? So you see that all the analysis is there. You can also see the bank, that is account statements. So this account statement will show the customers the transaction that has been on, you know, from her own end. You understand? So you can also see the account details. So this is the account details of the customer, the phone number, the account status active, You can see the login, last login, the branch, you understand everything, the email address, the account number, everything is there, the name of the customer and everything. So that's it. Then the customer can do transfer like a interbank transfer, like a local bank transfer. Yeah, it's from locally, maybe from bank to bank. You want to transfer money to the same person that exists on the platform. Like other customers, I mean to say other customers that exist on the platform, you can as well run transfer for them. You understand? You enter the account number, you enter the amount, you can run that transfer. You can he or she can also do international transfer. International transfer will also require that IMF code, so the admin have to provide her with the IMF code and the COT code. So you will fill out these forms and all that and run this transfer. So everything is there. So as well, he or she can message the admin. So that message function is as well there. Then for loan, he or she can apply loan. It's a new loan, and this new loan will give you a loan application to fill. You understand? So these are the packages of which they can apply this loan for, like for a car or a loan for a house. You want to rent a house or you want to build a house. It's a land. You understand? So you see, like those one are for other loans, say for student loan, travel loan. You understand? So they show you the categories and the amount that will be deducted from the account. You understand? Aside from that is the interest. You understand? Like this one that has a 15% interest. This one as well has a so you see we put everything at the 50% interest. So you see that the systems works fine. You understand? So that's it. So you can try out many things. He or she can as well change her transaction password, can change her account password. You understand? Then you can be able to view loans and all that. So transfer history. So everything is there. So that's it. So you see this banking script is the full functional one. It's a very cool uh, banking system. So if you need it, you can give us a call or WhatsApp us on this number. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. So bye. Thank you.